Hello, this is Teacher John one more time, and on this video clip I'd like to talk about the ing sound. Okay, let me write it here. The ing. I'll move it over a little bit. Now an N and a G. Okay, there. Ing. An N and a G. Okay. Say ing. Ing. Okay. Now, don't try this at home. Okay. I have my hammer, and I will first hit my shoulder. Okay. Ready? You say ing. Ready? Go. Ing. Oh boy, it's shaking me up. Okay. Now let's try hitting my head. Now, remember, don't do this at home, okay? Okay, ready? Ing! Ah! There! Boy, I tell you what, I'm starting to get a headache. A headache. Okay, now, where's my hammer? This is, let me hit my jaw, okay? Ready? Ing! Oh! There! Oh, that's a little bit better, but I still have a headache. Okay. Now let me see. Let's go back. Let's see if we can push our head in. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Now, let's try this again with the ing, okay? Now, I have some words here I like to tell you about. Okay, what am I doing here? That has an ing sound in it, but it's ing. It has an ing, but it has also an I. Ing. And then it's ring. So it's ringing the bell. Okay, so let me write ring. Now ring is R. Okay. I-N-G. Okay, let's put this a little there. Make it look like a very good N. Okay, so that's ring. But I stopped ringing the bells. So we have another word with an A in it. Okay, it's Ang. We have ring, and then put the R here. We have rang. I ring the bells. I stop. I rang the bells. Okay. Now, let's try something different now. Okay. Now let's erase this. There are 3 sounds I like to cover this time with the ing, ing. Now let me write the 3 ings first. If I don't hit my head, maybe I can move my head a little bit over. Okay, ing. Okay, ing. Okay, one more. Do I have room? Let's try it. Ing. Okay, I think I can do it. So we got ing, ing, ing. Now, if I put an I here, you want me to change the color of it? Let's make it a red eye. How about that? That's ing. And then, let's try ang. And then, try an O. Ong. Ing, ang, ong. Now, what word do you think we could use here? Now, if I add an S, what color do you want the S? Let's see. How about yellow or goldish S? Let's try this. Sing. Sing. And then sang. And then what's the name of it? It is a song. So we can say sing, sang, song. Okay? Now, we can sing the song like da do 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 do. And when you finish, you sang. And what is it called? It is called a song. Okay? We have sing, sang, song. Now, one more thing I'd like to talk about, and that's the ing sound more. I want to talk more about the ing sound. Okay? Now, when we ask a question, we're usually asking doing questions. Okay, doing. You see the ing on doing? And we could do many things like running. What are you doing? I'm running. I'm jumping. I'm swimming. Okay, swimming. Okay. So what do you do when you go swimming? Well, I need some water. Do I need some water here? Okay, put some water here. Oh, I'll maybe put water here. Oh, over here too. Can you see me? Put some water here. And how about, can I draw a fish? Okay, put a fish here. Sometimes a yellow fish. Okay, that was my fish. My fish okay? Does the fish need an eye? How about fish fin? A fish fin. But I could use an eye. The fish could use an eye. Okay. Okay. Well, let's try a different color. Okay, there. Okay. Now, when we're swimming, or I can go snorkeling. Okay? Yeah. I go snorkeling. Yeah, when I go snorkeling, we can enjoy swimming. Okay, swimming. Okay, when we enjoy all this swimming, I'll tell you what, you got to be watching out for things, okay? There could be some dangerous things swimming in the water. I don't know. Let's go swimming around here. You might see some kind of animals. Oh, watch out! There's a shark! Oh no! So be careful when you go swimming, okay? Or snorkeling. Because you might end up finding a shark in the water. Oh, no, don't worry about it. Usually your mommy and daddy will tell you if there's a shark. So enjoy your swimming time, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye.